I've eventually managed to get out on the bike. It's been a few weeks. Weather's been so cold, wet. It's just not been nice in general. Anyway, here we are, a week before Christmas, and we've got a half decent day. Well, at least the sun's out, and we've got a bit of blue sky. Still cold though. Just casually going along in power assist 3 at 16 miles an hour. Car coming past. I don't think I'll be going much off roads, down dirt tracks today. It's just too muddy. So I think I'll stick to the roads, although it's not my favourite place to be. Don't like the traffic, especially down these narrow roads. But I'll try and show you what it's like riding the EP-2. It's effortless. Well, it can be as effortless as you like. You can put in as much effort as you want. Car coming past. But it does make cycling easy, especially if you're not that fit. I need to turn here. Car behind me, just slow down, let him come past. You see we've got quite a bit of a hill here, and pulls up here, no problem whatsoever. Mama head. People, time to get back on the road. Like I say, it's just a week before Christmas. The decorations are up around the houses. But when I'm on these sort of roads around housing estates, I keep it in power assist 2 or less. Plenty fast enough. We're here at Wedgwood Visitor Centre. Seems to get quite a few visitors on a Sunday. Must be a popular day out. Never been in myself, but don't know, I've never took much notice of it, maybe because I know it's always here. This is a decent sized hill, and normally, or I know for a fact, I wouldn't be cycling up it. But here we are. 14 mile an hour. No effort, or very little effort. I mean, I'm in power assist 4, but I can go down to 3. Mileage drops a little bit, but still effortless. Leveling up, I'll drop it down again. And a steady 10 mile an hour. But on these roads, power assist 3 seems like a good medium. As I've mentioned before, I bought this bike from AliExpress. Took about 7 weeks, but I know people have received it a lot quicker than that. I believe there's a warehouse in Poland, and if it didn't have any in stock when I ordered mine, so I had to wait for a China delivery. But I've known people get it in a couple of weeks. But yeah, it really is a good bike. I've had so much enjoyment out of it, and lots yet to come, I hope. Just looking forward to the better weather. Get wrapped up, it's not too bad, but certainly not as enjoyable, is it, as a bit of sunshine. I'm going to give my legs some exercise down this bank. Let's see what speed I can get it up to. I haven't got the strongest legs, so you could probably get it to go faster. Okay. Okay, let's see what we can do. Can I hit 30? Let's have a look. I am pedalling quite hard, but we've got quite a steep bit here, so here we go. Yep, we made it. Oh, that's done me no good. Certainly not something you could keep up. But I know, it just shows you what you can get up to. Okay, it was downhill, but yeah, I did it anyway. I think other e-bikes of similar price certainly wouldn't get you to that speed. So I still say this is a really good buy, and I highly recommend it to anybody. Okay, I'll head back down this way and see if the little lane's open. Well, we're not doing too bad, as if you don't know, batteries don't do very well in cold weather, so you won't get the mileage you normally do. But yeah, it's doing okay. I was going to go down the canal, but it's busy with walkers again, so I'll stick to the road. I think there's a cut through here. I can get onto this estate. Yeah, you can get in there if I turn around. It's a bit slippy. There's a nice little towpath along the canal down here. But we're still sitting at 49 volts, so you can see when we pull up hills, voltage does drop. It's because of the extra power it's giving, but as soon as you flatten out on the road, the voltage goes back up. If I cut through here, cut takes us down to a nice little path alongside the canal. Good job your brakes work here. Straight in. I think it's time to go back to the car now. Although it's nice, it's still cold and it's still getting to my bones a bit. Just have to look forward to some more warmer days. But as you can see, it's a capable bike for the money you pay. Lots of fun at little cost, really. I mean, you could spend a lot more, and yeah, you probably could get a better bike, but value for money, this takes some beating as far as I'm concerned. If you check out some of my other videos, you'll see some of the upgrades and add-ons I've done to the bike. I mean, it's great out of the box, but for a little cost you can make it better. Also, if you check in the description, I'll leave some links to where you can buy not just the actual bike, but some of the add-ons and things. Like I said before, I do mainly buy from AliExpress, and it's great. Price wise, you can't beat it. But if you want something tomorrow, that's not your place to shop. But if you're prepared to wait, in no rush, well, it's the place to be. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed coming on that little ride out with me. I hope it won't be too long till I'm able to get out again. So I do enjoy riding this bike. I do enjoy getting out. So, until next time, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.